10th standard students, very warm welcome, and this is a continue of your last video. In the last video we have started with the major crops of India, and there we already have discussed about rice. Now we will go for wheat. Wheat is the second important food crop and major rabi crop of India. Wheat is a rabi crop. That is the kharif crop, rice. This is a rabi crop. Wheat is an important staple food in the northern and northwestern part of the country. Northern, I told you, wheat is the staple food for the North India because they mainly prefer chapatis. It requires moderate temperature of 10 to 15 degrees centigrade and annual rainfall of 50 to 70 centimeter. Heavy, loamy and black soil are best suited for wheat cultivation. For wheat cultivation, we need heavy, loamy and black soil. Wheat is grown mainly in the northern plains including Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra and northern part of Karnataka. Northern part of Karnataka, their staple food, North Karnataka, their staple food is not rice. Their staple food is chapati because they are having a good cultivation of wheat. Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of wheat in India. Like rice, India also, India again it stood in the second position in the cultivation of rice after China. China is the first for rice and wheat. India is second for rice and wheat. Okay. Now we will go with the commercial crop. What is this commercial crop? The name itself told why it is commercial. Commercial means we will get money. Okay, more money from this. No personal or domestic use. Okay, a crop that is grown for sale is called commercial crop. People don't use it for their domestic purpose. It is used for sale. Example: sugarcane, tobacco, oil seeds, etc. First, we will be going with sugarcane. Okay, what is this sugarcane? You people all know. Okay, sugarcane juice we used to take in the roadside also, in the shop also. It is the most important commercial crop of India. Sugarcane is the most important commercial crop of India. India has the world's largest area under sugarcane. Again, India has the largest area like rice. Rice, for production of rice, India has the largest area like that. Sugarcane production area is the largest in the world. In the world, we are having the largest area for sugarcane cultivation. It is the second largest producer of sugarcane in the world. Again, India is second, but this time not China. This is Brazil. Brazil stand fast in the production of or cultivation of sugarcane. India stood second. Sugarcane is the main source of sugar, gur and khandasari. We all know sugar. From where it is coming? It is coming from sugarcane. Gur, jaggery, that is also coming from sugarcane. And khandasari, these are the products of sugarcane. Even we take sugarcane juice in the summer season. It is very good for us. Not only summer season, it is very good for our liver. Okay, it is an annual crop and it grows in irrigated area where irrigation facilities is there. There only this type of sugarcane or the sugarcane cultivation can be done. It requires high temperature of 21 degrees centigrade to 26 degrees centigrade and heavy rainfall ranging from 100 to 150 centimeter annually. Rainfall is required and the temperature required is also high, 21 to 26. Now coming to soil. Alluvial and loamy soil are best for its cultivation. Alluvial soil and loamy soil. These are the things you have to keep it in mind. What type of soil, okay, where it stands first or second in the world. Okay, what it is a kharif, rabi crop like this. Okay, these are the things you have to memorize regarding each and every crop what we are discussing. Okay, the most, even which places are having this type of cultivation more in India. Okay, the most important sugarcane producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh. In these states, other states are also having, but these are the leading states in the production or cultivation of sugarcane. The scientific name of sugarcane is Saccharum officinarum. Okay, this is the scientific name of sugarcane. Now coming to the next one, the next commercial crop, that is tobacco. Tobacco, we all know, people used to smoke bidi cigarettes, cigar, that is coming from the chewing tobacco. They are all coming from tobacco. The scientific name of tobacco is Nicotiana tabacum. Okay, this is the scientific name. And one more thing I am telling you, this tobacco plant is also like a small plant, and that leaf, it contains nicotine, which is a what can I say, that is the main thing for which people got addicted. Okay, it is one of the important commercial or cash crop. Okay, this crop is also made for sale to the market. Tobacco is used for smoking. Examples are bidi, cigarette, cigar, churut, hookah. These are the types of things which are being prepared from tobacco. Also, chewing tobacco, snuff, are made from it. Chewing tobacco, this in the shop, these gutkas and all are there. No, there also tobacco is there, and that is from this tobacco plant only. It is a tropical crop which requires high temperature. It is a tropical crop and it requires high temperature from 21 to 23 degrees centigrade and moderate rainfall. Not that much of rainfall it is required. 100 to 50 to 100 centimeter annually. Which type of soil is suitable? Sandy loamy soil is best for its cultivation. Sandy loamy soil is best for its cultivation. India is the third largest producer and fourth largest exporter, means exporting this product to other countries. Export means the product what we are having, we are exporting to other countries after meeting the needs of our country. Exporter of tobacco in the world. Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and Bihar are the leading producer of tobacco in India. These are the leading producer of tobacco in India. Who are they? Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and Bihar. In these places, tobacco cultivation is very high. Virginia tobacco. In tobacco, there are two types of tobacco. Okay, flambaceous tobacco and Virginia tobacco. Virginia tobacco is of high quality. In Karnataka, what the plantations of this one is going on, this tobacco, that is of Virginia type, which is of superior quality. That's why Karnataka's tobacco is being exported to other country. Virginia tobacco is the finest tobacco grown in our country, which is being exported to other foreign countries. This Virginia tobacco is having a huge demand in the international market. So we are having sufficient production of this Virginia tobacco. So after meeting the needs of our country, the excess we are sending to other country as the export, from where we are getting the foreign currencies. Now going to the next one, this is fiber crop. This is also a crop which is not seed. This one is for smoking and all. Okay, this fiber crop. Okay, fiber crop, the cotton and jute are the example. These are also crop, but these are not eatable. Okay, cotton cloth, cotton. The crop which provides raw material for textile industry is called fiber crop. Okay, textile industry. So for textile industry we use cotton. Okay, cotton and jute are the most important fiber crops of India. In India, the jute and cotton, these are getting cultivated, and these are the most important fiber crop of India. Okay, cotton cloths we are using, we are having the pillow, we are having the bed, we are having the carpets. They are all made from cotton, and that cotton, that raw cotton is a crop in India. Now we will be learning about this one, cotton. So cotton is an important industrial and fiber crop. Okay, fiber crop and industrial, because those things are prepared in the industry, so it is an industrial crop. It provides raw material for textile industries. It provides raw material for the textile industries. It is a tropical and subtropical crop. It is also a kharif crop. Kharif crop means the crops which is cultivated during the monsoon season. Now the temperature, it requires 21 degree to 24 degree centigrade, means high temperature, and rainfall of 50 to 100 centimeter. 50 to 100 centimeter means moderate rainfall it is required. Now coming to the soil, black soil is suitable for its cultivation. Okay, for the cultivation of cotton, no other soil, only black soil is very much important for the cultivation of cotton. Now coming to the last point, the cotton growing areas. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra, that's why Gujarat is having a very depth in the textile industry. Okay, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu are the leading producer of cotton in India. In India, these are the states where cotton is being cultivated at a high level. Okay, they are having lots of black soil, so they can produce huge amount of cotton. Okay, India has the largest cotton growing areas in India. Okay, in the world. India is the third largest producer of raw cotton in the world. India stood in the position of third in the world in the production or cultivation of cotton. So only one thing it is pending with you, that is this one, your beverage crop, and only tea is there and some other topic is there which I will give you by tomorrow, means Monday, and we will be finishing this chapter. Even the exercise also I will be supplementing you. So have a nice Sunday and thanks a lot. Bye.